I know they say that money talks, but all mine says is goodbye. Hey, what's up, Flock and Model Railroaders? Welcome, new crew, true crew. I appreciate your subs, likes, comments, and shares. Well, this knuckleheaded coupler bought something from this place. Let's take a look. This is my first brand new piece of equipment that I purchased, and I bought it from Amazon. And it wasn't a terrible price either. It's a Norfolk Southern tank car. Let's take a look. Has the KD couplers. I think it has metal wheels. I'm not entirely sure. Not super detailed. It has a couple little logos and stuff on it. That's pretty cool. And I think it'll look pretty cool on my layout with my other equipment. Well, when I get the layout built, which I'm working on. So I hope your track is all clear. You know I'll be running down the track as I'm building it.